Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Garmin, known for top fitness trackers and smartwatches, expands its lineup with the Instinct 3 series. The Instinct line is renowned for excellent battery life, now enhanced with an upgraded AMOLED display. 3 years after the Instinct 2, Garmin unveiled the Instinct 3 series at CES 2025, introducing significant enhancements to its rugged smartwatch lineup. Here are some standout key features of the Instinct 3 series. Let's check it out. For the first time, the Instinct series offers an AMOLED display option, providing vibrant visuals and improved readability. The Instinct 3 AMOLED model boasts up to 24 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. The solar variant, with enhanced solar efficiency, can achieve unlimited battery life under sufficient sunlight exposure. Maintaining its rugged design, the Instinct 3 features a metal-reinforced bezel, is tested to military standard or MIL STD 810 for thermal and shock resistance, and offers 10 ATM water resistance. A built-in LED flashlight adds practicality for low-light situations, enhancing the watch's utility for outdoor activities. Equipped with dual-band GPS and multiband/dual-frequency GNSS, the Instinct 3 ensures precise tracking for outdoor adventures. The watch includes comprehensive health monitoring features, such as a pulse oximeter, altimeter, and 24/7 health tracking, along with smart features like NFC payments. Models and pricing. Priced at $399 for the 45mm model and $449 for the 50mm model. Priced at $449 for the 45mm model and $499 for the 50mm model. A more affordable option at $299, available in 40mm and 45mm sizes. All models are available for order starting January 10th, 2025. The Instinct 3 series caters to both outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users, combining durability with advanced technology to meet diverse needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.